Hello and welcome. Today in this segment we will study about the one word substitutes. Okay? Welcome to e-education. If you are trying to crack SSC, railway or any other exam, then you can join us our YouTube channel e-education. You can join us in Telegram group, in Facebook page also, and in Instagram. Okay, I will give the link in the description box and the comment section. Okay, so today we will study one word substitute that will very helpful for your upcoming exam. So let's start. First word, that is polyandry. Polyandry means the practice of marrying more than one husband at one time. Okay, so polyandry means the practice of marrying more than one husband. Okay, and the practice of marrying more than one wife is polygamy. Okay, next, philogynist. Philogynist means a lover of womankind. Okay, clear. Definitely when we got the word gynist, that's been related to woman, so this will very easy to remember that polygynist means lover of womankind. Okay, next, plebiscite, that is a decision made by or votes of all qualified citizens, that is plebiscite. Okay, next, philanderer. Philanderer means one who amuse himself by lovemaking. Philanderer, that may be one who amuse himself by lovemaking or one who used to make so many affairs, that is also philanderer. Okay, next, philistine. Philistine means one who does not care for art and literature. Okay, so here most important one word substitute is polygynist, that is most repeated, philanderer and polyandry. Okay, next, plutocracy. What is plutocracy? That is a government ruled by the rich persons only. Okay, a government ruled by the rich persons. Okay, that is plutocracy. Next, pseudonym, that is an imaginary name or assumed by an imaginary name assumed by an author for disguise. Okay, that we can say that pen name. He used to take a help of fake name because the author, the writer, doesn't want to disclose his or her real identity. Okay, next, posthumous. What is posthumous? A child born after the death of his father. Okay, or the book that published after the date of the writer. Okay, often we got this option regarding the award section also, ki posthumously he got that award. Okay, generally we use it. Then panacea. What is panacea? This is also most repeated. Panacea means a remedy for all disease. Okay, very very important. Next, pediatrician. Who is pediatrician? Pediatrician, a person who is specialist in child disease. Okay, this is related to the doctors, specifically the child doctor, child specialist we used to say. Okay, next, pedant. Who is pedant? Pedant is one who makes a vain display of his knowledge. Vain means fake. Okay, that is pedant. Next, polyglot. Who is a polyglot? Polyglot means one who can speak many languages. Okay, that is polyglot. This is very very important. It may use in biography when we have to say about a person who is able to speak so many languages. Okay, next, paleography. What is paleography? The study of ancient writing. So the study of ancient writing is known as paleography. Next, pose. What is pose? Pose, a number of policemen call in a quell or a riot. Okay, next, parole. So what is parole? Parole is pledge given by a prisoner for temporary release, not to escape. Okay, That is a promise given by a prisoner for temporary release. That you may say just like a bail. Okay. Next, pedestrian. Pedestrian, one who goes on feet. Okay. Often we use it. Pedestrian means one he walk by his feet, not using any vehicle. Okay, that is pedestrian. Next, portable. What is portable? That can easily carried through. ठीक है. Next, quarantine. What is quarantine? Nowadays it is very popular word. Quarantine means an act of separation from other person to avoid infection. That is quarantine. Okay, simply meaning. Next, rhetoric. What is rhetoric? The art of elegant speech or writing is known as rhetoric. Okay, so all are very, very important. Just listen carefully and you will get it. Next, regicide. What is regicide? Murder of king or queen is known as regicide. Then sacrilege. What is sacrilege? Violating or profaning religious things or places. That is violating or profaning or defaming the religious things and places. That is known as sacrilege. Okay, clear? Next, sculptor. Sculptor is one who cuts in stone. Sculptor is an artist who used to make statues or various things by cutting the stones. Okay, so that is a sculpture. Then suicide we all know. Then stable. Stable is a place for the horses. Okay, so that's all for this segment. If you like this session, do like, share and subscribe. If you are preparing for any competitive exams such as UPSC, State PCS, SSC, Railway, you can join our Telegram group, that is E-Education Ritu. You can follow us in Insta and Facebook page also. And thank you so much for watching this video.